easy to go through this cave because it's low tide in the moment. But as you see, there are rocks everywhere. And this cave will turn to another cave which is coming directly from the seaside, which will be on the left hand now. You see, here is the sea coming in and the waves are coming in. It's also connected to another beach which is further on a very, very little beach. You will see it is so beautiful at the west coast in Auckland, and not many people are actually reporting that, and it's actually not crowded with people. So if you want to have a further look, come to New Zealand. Cheers!